bias. So what is a confirmatory bias? It's a type of a cognitive bias that involves favoring information that confirms your previously existing beliefs or biases. In a simple Dehati or villager's term, what the confirmatory bias is, what Goswami Tulsidas ji said, जाती रही भावना जैसी प्रभु मूरत देखी तिन तैसी, सावन के अंधे को हरा हरा ही दिखाई देता है, दूध का जला भी फूंक कर छाछ भी फूंक कर पीता है. तो एक बार हम जल चुके हैं तो अगली बार भी जले, ये जरूरी. These are the kind of confirmation bias. For example, imagine that a person holds a belief that left-handed people are more creative than the right-hand people. Now, or every Bengali eats the machhi bhat. Fish is being cooked in every Bengali household. So now, that preconceived notion, the data my brain is having already, and based on that, whomever Bengali or I am meeting with, I am expecting that he would invite me for that dish, or they prepare extremely delicious kind of sweets. बंगालियों को आप मिठाई बनाने में बहुत कम ऐसे राज्य हैं, क्षेत्र हैं जो कि चुनौती दे सके इनको, बंगालियों को. तो नाउ, बट if I am meeting, I am having that is the data, I am having the preconceived notion in my mind, but the Bengali I am meeting, the Bengali next to me might not be having machhi bhat or sweets at his home. So the data which was earlier available and analyzed and decided, and my judgment was based on that. Now, due to under the new circumstances and based on the newer data, my bias has to be cured. The reasoning helps the lone reasoner arrive at the better beliefs and make better decisions, often through self-scrutiny and the correction of mistaken intuitions. The theory of dissonance in the marketing. The classic view of reasoning by René Descartes, Daniel Kahneman. Tendency to search for, interpret, favor, and recall information that confirms or support one's prior personal beliefs or values. That is what the confirmation bias is. What I am seeing or I am analyzing through the capacity of whatever capacity of knowledge, intellect, data analysis, and so on I am having. How to confirm or judge whether what I am seeing is true or not. So it must be confirmed by the others, those who could also see what I am seeing. If others are also seeing and analyzing in the same data in the same or similar manner, then it's a research or informed decision, a conscious decision, not a confirmation bias. Confirmation bias, coined by English psychologist Peter Watson, is the tendency of people to favor information that confirms or strengthens their beliefs or values and is difficult to dislodge once affirmed. Confirmation bias is an example of a cognitive bias and also of the tendency to mistakenly perceive connections and meaning between unrelated things, terms, and epiphania. Now let's take the example. बिल्ली के रास्ता काटने से एक्सीडेंट होता है कि नहीं होता? Now we have the preconceived notions, whether we like it to show it in front of other or not, that is the different thing. Now, how you are going to decide the relation between the cat crossing the road and of accidents or something happening back to you? Or another example, say, during these times, crying dogs and its relation with ambulance sirens, kutte ka roona, especially the villagers kind of people, not so intelligent and scholarly like us, objective, rational, scientific and evidence-based. The lady ones, देवियां खास तौर से कुत्तों का रोने से अगर रोना शुरू हुआ, then the blood pressure or the tension or something, the emotional up downs starts taking place. Now, is it reasonable? To some extent. We know with the help of our observation that if there is a crying by dogs in the streets, the relation between the ambulance siren in current times seems to be significant under the observation, and whether it is strong enough to have a research paper on that is different matter. The confirmation bias or confirmatory bias has also been termed my side bias. मैं जो चाहता हूं, मैं जो देखता हूं, बस वही है, सही है, ठीक है. A meta-analysis by William Hart and the colleagues of research about whether exposure to information is guided by defense motives, feeling validated, or by accuracy motives, that is being correct, prefers to use the term congeniality bias rather than the confirmation bias. तो n number of biases 150, 55, 60 लगभग आ चुके हैं, ऐड करते रहें. Confirmation biases are effective in information processing. They differ from what is sometimes called the behavioral confirmation effect, commonly known as self-fulfilling prophecy, in which a person's expectation influences their own behavior, bringing about the expected result. Say, for example, I have analyzed based on the data and variables that the coming time is not going to be so good. तो जब समय बुरा है तो क्या करें, अपने आप को सिर्फ ओढ़ ले, बहुत ज्यादा हाथ पैर फैलाने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. So that same analysis could become a self-fulfilling prophecy. You become the part of the same cycle, and once entering into the cycle, how to move out of the cycle become, or how to break the Gaussian knot becomes a very tough task. Some psychologists restrict the term confirmation bias to selective collection of evidence that supports what one already believes, while ignoring or rejecting evidence that supports a different conclusion. Others apply the term more broadly to the tendency to preserve one's existing beliefs when searching for evidence, interpreting it, or recalling it from memory. Confirmation bias is a result of automatic, unintentional strategies rather than deliberate deceptions. Confirmation bias cannot be avoided or eliminated entirely, but only managed. Can any of the bias or any of the risk, can we minimize the risk at zero? No. It can live. Say, for example, after the fall of USSR, the China decided that the last president, the policies of the last US president, the Perestroika, what the foolishness in the eyes of the Chinese, what the USSR wrong decisions made. Chinese are not going to make those decisions. Opening up of economy, and so on. Now, by protecting or not repeating every mistakes made by USSR, can Chinese be sure of the security of their system? Theoretically, simply can't. What is the measurement of risk? Again, is there When we are talk about the risk for the purpose of investing, and if we are having the data, numerical data at hand, so based on the deviations and other tools, we calculate the risk. Now, I am here the self, the individual. I have to take the decision. Is there any machine which could tell me that what is the risky and what is not the risky one? And to what extent I could measure, how to measure my own risk or risk appetite or risk taking capacity. So what is that for the self? The amount of risk which does not disturb my leisure sleep. If my sleep is getting affected, then I am under this definition, I am simply under risk. The type of confirmation bias. Biased search for information, what I want, just like a YouTube video. The kind of searches you would make in YouTube, it would start showing the similar kind of programs beneath it. Biased search for information, biased interpretation, biased memory. Discovery. Before psychological research on confirmation bias, the phenomena had been observed throughout the history. पहली बात तो हो नहीं रहा है ऐसा. The beginning with the Greek historian Thucydides, who wrote the misguided treason in the Peloponnesian history है, Wikipedia अवेलेबल है, इसको आप पढ़ लीजिएगा. Confirmation bias can lead investor to be overconfident, ignoring evidence that their strategies will lose money. In studies of political stock market, investors made more profit when they registered bias. Obvious, once you are under the influence of emotions, how and when we make how our objectivity and under what conditions our objectivity and rationality gets deviated. We had discussed earlier in our slides and our discourse. So when we are unbiased, only in that situation our output, profit, be it in a stock market, be it in our personal life, had to be only be more or maximized. For example, participants who interpreted a candidate's debate performance in a neutral rather than partisan way were more likely to profit. To combat the effect of confirmation bias, investors can try to adopt a contrary viewpoint for the sake of argument. In one technique, they imagine that their investments have collapsed and ask themselves why this might happen. The decision I am going to take maintain of preventing the ruin event. बर्बादी से को बचा लेना. Then, for the principal amount which is being invested, if I am going to make an investment in that particular company or firm, a good chunk or significant chunk of amount, what if that the share market gets collapsed? Would I be naked in the market or would I survive? With that, we are at the end of our session. Thanks for your